certified most accurate. Now your First Warn 5 forecast.
Good Friday afternoon, Mid-Michigan. Meteorologist Easlick here with your Friday forecast update. Looks like our next round of winter weather quickly on the way as we go into the afternoon and evening hours. Most of it still along I-94 and southward, but will be headed in our direction as the afternoon goes along, possibly leading to some slick travel and at times hazardous travel into the evening hours. And because of that, we do have winter weather advisories in place from noon today until 6 a.m. on Saturday. So these are now in effect. It is looking like we will have some slick travel through parts of the overnight period as well before this system pulls away from us. Your First Warn 5 hour-by-hour forecast shows clouds will be on the increase in areas that they may not be quite as thick just yet. Skies will definitely be gray this afternoon, and it looks like eventually along 69 right around 2 or 3 o'clock we start to see that move in, primarily as a bit of a mix at first with some snow, maybe some freezing rain and sleets mixed in there as well, and then transitioning over to a little freezing rain along I-69 too. Around the Tri-Cities region and areas north of there, this looks like a mostly snow event, perhaps a little bit of icing here and there, but snowfall accumulations generally expected to be a little bit higher around central lower Michigan. This snow will eventually take over in all locations as the night goes along, and then it will quickly pull away from us into Saturday morning, and Saturday itself looking pretty dry. How much snow are we expecting? Not a huge snowfall, between about 1 and 4 inches in our highest zone right there shaded in blue in central lower, a little bit lower along southern sections of I-69 as you go southward towards Detroit, where a freezing rain could be a little bit more common, and a trace to about 2 inches in our northern counties, sort of on the fringe of this system. As far as your ice accumulation, I think around 1/10 of an inch or less in the Tri-Cities. Could see up to 2/10 if we see mostly freezing rain around I-69, and up to 1/4 of an inch around I-96 if things come together just right there too. Consider this map sort of a maximum output, not necessarily a guarantee of those amounts. Your hour-by-hour forecast into the weekend. Saturday is dry. Our next system comes in late Saturday night and early Sunday. Could see some more snowfall accumulation out of that. Doesn't look like a huge deal, but enough to add on to what we receive later tonight. Your 7-day forecast, a dry day tomorrow. Next system on Sunday, mostly dry as we go into next week.
Stay with WNEM TV5 on air, on the go, and online for more news and weather updates.